Re-captha-version is a deceptive website network that have been identified as a source of browser notification spam and is categorized under browser hijackers. To remove annoying notifications, follow this simple instructions. In Google Chrome, click Menu and choose Settings. Then on the left side click Privacy and Security, scroll down until you find Site Settings and click on them. Find Notifications settings and under Websites allowed to send notifications find Re-captha-version website. Remove it by clicking 3 dots and selecting Remove. In Mozilla Firefox, click Menu and choose Settings. In Privacy and Security tab scroll down to Notifications under Permissions section. Click Settings button and in open window find Re-captha-version and click Remove Website button. Click Save Changes. In Microsoft Edge, click 3 dots in the top right corner to access the menu and choose Settings. On the left panel, find Cookies and Site Permissions. Scroll to Notifications, and under Allow section find Re-captha-version and remove it in similar fashion. To remove malware, causing such threats and protect your PC or Mac from browser hijackers, keyloggers, adware, spyware and many other threats, we recommend you Spy Hunter, anti-malware that works differently than classic antivirus programs and can eliminate common users' threats and protect home PCs from online viruses. In the description you can find download links and link to the text version of this tutorial.